Hi friends, today I will do a comparison of Samsung Galaxy S22 versus Asus Zenfone 9. So let's get start the video. Let's see the detail of in-hand feel. Let's see the detail of display of Samsung Galaxy S22 versus Asus Zenfone 9. Let's check out the detail of camera. Let's check about the price. Samsung S22 come around 62,000 of $775 of 8GB RAM, and Asus Zenfone 9 come around 48,000 of $600 of 8GB RAM or 128GB internal storage. Let's come on result of Samsung S22 versus Asus Zenfone 9. Design wise, both the phone have good looking design. Display are also the same on the both the phone. Camera is better on Samsung S22 and hardware is better on Zenfone 9. Connectivity are same, charges are also the same, and price are also the same. So thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Have a nice day. Thanks for watching our video.